This is Roxy with healingwithroxy.com, and today we have an amazing spiritual experience. Today, for very first time, we took our children for a fishing trip, and we were so blessed because we went to this experience with Capitan Rob, which is located in Destin, Florida, and I highly suggested him because he's an amazing guy. He's very friendly with kids, and my kids caught so many fish. Like my daughter got like 10 fish, my son got 6, I got 3, and my husband got 4. It was amazing in only 2 hours. So we could come with him and have amazing experience again, and it was so relaxing. It was unbelievable. So we are spending this time as a family, and I really highly recommend him if you have any future trips plans coming here to Florida. So I hope everybody's well and blessings, and remember that God is love and miracles happen. Bye.